When one becomes lusty, then one becomes lost of all intelligence. The whole world is going on the basis of this lusty desire. This is material world. And because I am lusty, you are lusty, every one of us, so as soon as my desires are not fulfilled, your desires are not fulfilled, then I become your enemy, you become my enemy. I cannot see you are making very good progress. You cannot see me making very good progress. This is material. And here, lusty desires come through the low of mastery. This is the basis of this material world. According to Vedic civilization, woman is accepted as hindrance to spiritual advancement. The whole basic civilization is how to avoid the woman. You do not think that only woman is woman, the man is also woman. Don't think that the woman is condemned, the man is not. Woman means enjoy, and man means enjoy. This feeling is condemned. If I see one woman for enjoyment, so I am man, and if woman also sees another man for enjoyment, she is also man. When woman means enjoy, and man means enjoy. So anyone who has got feeling of enjoyment, he is considered to be man. So here both sexes, men, women, everyone is planning how I shall enjoy. Therefore he is Purusha, artificial. Otherwise, originally we are all Prakriti, Jiva, either woman or man. This is outward dress.